Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to create this nice kind of country icon that you can implement inside of your documentaries or map animation. So as you can see right here, this is the type of look that I'm going to stylize the other countries. In this one, I'm actually going to map out the Soviet flag. So as you see right here, I have it already. And I'll make this a little bit smaller. So now in order to get this type of circle look, what you need to do is select the flag and go over to the ellipse tool up here. If you can't find it, just hold it and select the ellipse tool. And then what you want to do is create a circle around this, and you can do this by holding Shift and creating a perfect circle just like that. And in order to get it right in the middle, what you need to do is select the mask, and then you can move this so it can be perfectly in the middle. There you go. Just play around with the size to get it the same size as it. And now what you can do to make this nice glow type effect around it is just add a feather. Now let's go to the other mask that I did and see exactly what type of properties I added to it. So here I added a 50 pixel feather. So just do the same thing here. Now I can just duplicate it, just press Ctrl D, and just place them all around. Now to pin all of these icons to the map so that it can stay in place, I'm using GeoLayers 3. Basically the map comp is GeoLayers, so that once I move it, I want the icons to stay in place. So what I can do is select it as a 3D and just anchor it to the map. See, once I move it, it'll stay in place and it doesn't move, or it moves with the map. And basically you can do this with other countries. Let's go ahead and quickly do this with the Romanian flag, which also participated in this operation that I'm mapping, which is Operation Barbarossa. Select it and mask it. Again, while holding Shift, place it in the middle, and add a feather. And let's duplicate it once. And pin it to the map anchor. And to get all of them be the same size, let's just do this really simple while pressing Shift to get the exact same size that I want. And it's pretty similar. Same thing with this. This is around the exact scale, so I don't really need to change it. And there you go. I mean, obviously in this you can, change its position. Let's say if I wanted this to move around, I can just drag this here and create a nice keyframe. Just create a really nice invasion type of animation. Just say if the Nazis were to push in the Soviet Union, and this will be pushed back. If you want some more tutorials on how to create some cool looking map animations, then check out the other videos in the YouTube channel. I hope you guys learned something new, and I'll see you guys in the next video.